What's up, Speedster Squad crew? We feeling the science experiments. So today we're gonna do the orange Fizzle experiment. So what you gotta do is, ready Isaac? He's trying to orange, is it good? You take an orange and you take some baking soda. Okay, watch this Isaac. You put a little bit of baking soda on the orange. Okay, a little bit of baking soda on. And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put the orange in our mouth with the baking soda, eat it.
Like this?
Just like this. And then we're gonna see what happens. Ready?
Let me go first.
Set, go. That's gross. It like fizzles up in your mouth and it makes like suds. You feel the suds? Is it coming out? Let it come out. So the citrus from the baking soda and the citrus from the orange combines to make the fizzle in your mouth. It almost feels like disgusting Pop Rocks. Well, that was really gross. We wouldn't recommend it. Speedster Squad out for a while. We're gonna go brush our teeth. Peace, homie.